In the silent corners of the universe, mysteries lie hidden, waiting to be uncovered by curious eyes. For centuries, humans have looked to the stars and asked questions. Are we alone? Who built the strange structures scattered across distant worlds? And why do some planets seem to whisper secrets that our instruments cannot explain? The answers may not just redefine our place in the cosmos, but also challenge the very fabric of what we understand as reality. Astronomers have reported anomalies, unexplained signals, rhythmic pulses from the void, and colossal formations resembling architecture, though no human hand could have shaped them. These are not mere rocks drifting in space. Some glow with internal light, as if powered by a hidden energy source. Some spin in perfect harmony, defying the randomness of gravity. Could these be the remnants of civilizations far older than ours? The ancients on Earth spoke of gods descending from the skies. Perhaps they were glimpses of these cosmic travelers. Every discovery pushes us closer to a truth we may not yet be ready for. But the question remains, if they existed once, do they still exist now? And if they do, are they watching us? Tonight, we dive deep into evidence that mainstream science avoids, into stories buried in classified archives, and into the chilling possibility that the watchers are closer than we think, hidden in plain sight, guiding, observing, and perhaps waiting for humanity's next step. Across the frozen plains of Mars, robotic explorers have captured more than dust and stone. Images show patterns too symmetrical, lines too deliberate, shadows too sharp to dismiss as coincidence. Some researchers argue they resemble ruined temples, eroded statues, and even massive stairways carved into cliffs. Skeptics call it pareidolia, the human brain seeing shapes where none exist. But what if the skeptics are wrong? What if these ruins tell a forgotten story of a world that once thrived with life? Long ago, Mars had rivers, oceans, and an atmosphere thick enough to breathe. If Earth sustained civilization, why couldn't Mars? Perhaps a thriving society rose and fell before humans even lit their first fires. Some scientists whisper about artifacts NASA never released, files marked classified, and photos mysteriously blurred before reaching the public. Could these be deliberate attempts to hide truths too disruptive for us to handle? Imagine a Martian city buried beneath the sands, its towers reduced to broken husks, its streets echoing with silence. If such a discovery were revealed, religion, politics, and science would all be shaken to their core. Humanity would no longer see itself as the first intelligent species. It would become the latest chapter in a cosmic book written long before our time. And maybe, just maybe, the Martians did not vanish entirely. Some theories suggest survivors could have migrated, seeking refuge on Earth or even beyond. The signs are there for those willing to look. The evidence whispers from the red dust, daring us to believe. In the vastness of space, strange signals keep arriving, pulses, bursts, and coded patterns that seem too precise to be random. Astronomers call them fast radio bursts, yet their origins remain shrouded in mystery. Some last milliseconds, others repeat like a cosmic heartbeat. Could they be messages, attempts at communication, or warnings from civilizations too distant for us to see? One chilling thought haunts researchers. What if these signals are not greetings but distress calls, echoes of worlds destroyed by forces we cannot comprehend? Consider the WOW signal of 1977, a single unexplained transmission so strong that it has never been matched since. Who or what sent it? Governments assure us there is nothing to fear, but whispers suggest otherwise. Some insiders claim the data is not lost but locked away, hidden in vaults, guarded by those who fear panic. Yet the signals keep coming, and some align with unexplained UFO sightings on Earth. Could the Watchers be trying to contact us, testing our readiness, waiting for the moment we finally respond? Every new discovery deepens the puzzle. Humanity listens, but perhaps the message is not meant for us at all. Maybe we are eavesdropping on conversations between beings older than galaxies. And if that's true, what happens when they realize we are listening? Are we observers? Or are we being drawn into a story far larger than our fragile world can endure? Hidden beneath our oceans lie secrets as mysterious as the stars above. Strange metallic objects, sonar echoes of enormous structures, and unidentified crafts darting faster than physics should allow. All suggest that Earth itself may already be host to unknown visitors. Could they be remnants of an ancient civilization that predates humanity? Some researchers point to myths of Atlantis, Lemuria, and submerged cities, claiming these are not legends but memories of lost ages. Even today, the Mariana Trench hides regions unexplored, vast enough to conceal entire worlds. Reports from naval officers describe glowing crafts emerging from the depths, vanishing into the sky at impossible speeds. Governments dismiss these accounts as malfunctions, yet the consistency across testimonies raises chilling questions. If visitors walk among us or swim beneath us, how long have they been here? Perhaps they are not invaders, but guardians, monitoring a species on the edge of self-destruction. Or perhaps they are waiting for the moment when humanity's technology catches up to theirs. The ocean covers 70% of our planet. What better place to hide than beneath the waves, shielded from satellites and human eyes? If the truth were revealed, it would change everything we know about history, science, and even ourselves. The question is not whether they are here. The question is, why are they hiding? And what do they want from humanity when the time finally comes to reveal themselves? Imagine a day when the skies open and humanity finally sees what has been hidden for centuries. Governments scramble, religions tremble, and billions of people stare upward as colossal ships blot out the stars. Will this be the dawn of contact, or the beginning of conquest? Ancient prophecies speak of chariots of fire, wheels within wheels, and beings descending from the heavens. Could those words have been descriptions of technology misunderstood by early humans? If so, then disclosure is not a question of if, but when. Evidence is mounting. Whistleblowers, leaked videos, and encounters from pilots who swear they chased objects defying all known laws of physics. These are not fairy tales. These are real accounts, documented and verified, though rarely admitted in public. Humanity stands on the edge of revelation. But perhaps the truth is even more complex. What if disclosure is not sudden but gradual, a slow drip of secrets preparing us for the undeniable? What if the Watchers are already here, guiding humanity toward its next stage? And when that day comes, will we be ready to embrace them, or will fear drive us into conflict? One thing is certain. The universe is alive with mysteries, and the greatest one of all may soon arrive at our doorstep. Beyond infinity lies a truth stranger than fiction, a truth that will redefine everything. When the veil is lifted, history will divide into two eras, before contact and after.